Welcome, here I've got ULEFONE Note 7P and I'm gonna show you how to use the Camera Pro mode at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it we can get access to more modes of this camera. One of this is the Pro mode, so let's pick it. Here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments. So let me start. We have these three sliders. Let me show you how it works. The first one here allows us to control the white balance of our picture, so the temperature, and it depends from the light we have in the area where we take a photo. So we can pick the tungsten light, daylight, white fluorescent light and the cloudy light. At the beginning of the slider from the left we have the auto settings, so there's no problem to go back to the auto. The next one slider here allows us to control the ISO, so we can control the camera's sensitivity to light. We can make it less sensitive from 100 and by going to the right more sensitive to 800s. So I think this is enough spectrum to this kind of camera. And of course at the beginning from the left we have auto settings, so we can easily go back. And the last one slider allows us here to control the exposure compensation, so the light of our picture. By going to the right we can make our photo more bright, as you can see, and by going to the left we can make it more dark. At the center we have 0 parameters, but I want to show you one extra button which appears here with the manual settings, so we don't have to use this and go back to the auto separately. We can just tap here to this button and it all goes back to the auto settings. And now let me use this slider to take a picture, so let me pick the white balance, for example here, the ISO 200 and a little bit darker. And this is how it looks like. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and hit the thumbs up.